Welcome to the boho dress sewing tutorial. Learn how to create a beautiful bohemian dress from start to finish. Follow along step by step as we guide you through each stage of the sewing process. Materials: fabrics like rayon, silk, or similar. Fusing for the collar area. Buttons number 1, or about 1 centimeter. Your trusty sewing tools. Needles according to the fabric. Thread to match the fabric. Print the patterns in the actual size or 100% and assemble the pattern. Check that the scale is correct. Pattern tools. Carefully cut the pattern along the lines. Join the pattern, respecting the order of the letters and numbers, and cut the pieces. Button crossover. Make some marks at 0.5 centimeters from the center of the button boxes to guide us when sewing. Join the stitches made previously. Sew in a straight line along the marks made earlier and leave 2 centimeters free at the bottom of the button boxes. Mark 1 centimeter above the end that will define the end of our cut. Cut the front body through the center of the button boxes up to the mark made. Cut diagonally from the end of the cuts to each of the button boxes. Fold the stitching to the inner side. Introduce the final area of the button box to the internal part. Overlap the button boxes one on top of the other. Once everything is correct, sew the end of the button box and the excess flap as shown in the video. Iron everything to fix the shape of the piece. Buttonholes and buttons. Mark the location of the buttons to make the buttonholes. Use a zigzag stitch to make the buttonholes. Also, use the buttonhole stitch if your machine allows it. Sew the buttons by hand in the internal button box at the level of the buttonholes. Waistband. Fix a small piece of fusing in the center of the front waistband on the inner side. Just below the button box. Make a mark in the center and 2 other marks at 1 centimeter on each side of the center to make the eyelets. Make 2 buttonholes with the same technique used for the button boxes. Open the eyelets carefully. Face the front and rear bodies and fix one of the sides with pins. Fix the sides with a straight stitch 1 centimeter from the edge. Use an overlock stitch on the edges for a better finish. Cut 2 rectangular pieces that will be used for the waistbands. Sew the waistband on one side to form a single piece. Attach the waistband to the body of the dress at waist level. Attach the waistband to the body with a straight stitch flush with the top and bottom edge. Cut a 5 centimeter rectangle along the length of the fabric to make the drawstring for the waistband. Fold in half with the right sides facing each other and fix with pins. Sew the cord 1 centimeter from the edge. Turn the cord with a special needle or with the help of a click. Introduce the cord through the waistband. Leave the cord on the inside of the waistband and fix each end with pins. Ruffles. Make a mark 1 centimeter from the top and bottom edges to make the hems. Sew the upper and lower hems of the piece with a straight stitch. Make 2 loose zigzag waistbands to make the gathering. Mark 35 to 40 centimeters from the bottom of the dress. Place the ruffle on the body of the dress guided by the marks. Fold the remaining sides and sew 1 centimeter from the edge and overlock. Fix the shoulders with pins. Sew 1 centimeter from the edge and overlock for a better finish. Sleeves. Mark 1 centimeter and 2 centimeters from the edge of the sleeve cup. Sew with a loose zigzag stitch along the previously created guides. Roll up the sleeves. Sew the side of the sleeves with a straight stitch 1 centimeter from the edge and overlock. Join the sleeve to the body, matching the seams on the side and distributing the gathering. Sew 1 centimeter from the edge with a straight stitch and overlock. Take the measurement of the doll and cut 2 pieces of elastic for the bottom of the sleeves. Sew the ends of the elastic in a circle. Spread the elastic all over the area. Sew with a zigzag stitch to maintain the elasticity of the piece. Fold the elastic to the inner side. Set the elastic with a zigzag stitch. Color. Hem. Attach the fusing to the neck piece of fabric. Sew along the top of the collar 1 centimeter from the edge with a straight stitch. Cut off the excess upper fabric. Pin the collar to the neckline of the dress, right side to right side. Sew with a straight stitch 1 centimeter from the edge. Fold the collar and hide the seams to close the lower part of the collar. Make an overstitch at the base of the collar 0.5 centimeters from the edge. Hems. Use an overlock stitch all the way around the hem and make a 1 centimeter hem for the bottom hem of the dress. Congratulations on completing your boho dress. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sewing tutorials.